Hey there, future YouTube stars. Ready to turn your passion into profit? This guide is your roadmap to YouTube monetization. We'll break down the essentials, from understanding the algorithm to avoiding common pitfalls. Get ready to learn, grow, and start earning. We'll cover the mysterious YouTube algorithm and how it decides which videos get seen. Next, we'll dive into subscribers, the lifeblood of any successful channel. Then, it's all about watch time, the golden ticket to unlocking monetization. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We'll also equip you with the knowledge to avoid disqualification. By the end of this guide, you'll be well-versed in the fundamentals of YouTube monetization, ready to launch your channel towards success. Get ready for an exciting journey. Let's dive in. The YouTube algorithm might seem like a mystery, but it's not as complicated as you think. It's designed to connect viewers with the content they'll love. The algorithm looks at several factors to decide which videos to promote. High watch time, likes, comments, and shares signal to YouTube that your video is engaging. Regularly uploading high-quality content keeps your audience engaged. Another crucial factor is relevance. The algorithm prioritizes videos relevant to search terms. Stay up to date with the latest changes and adapt your strategy. Subscribers are the heart and soul of your YouTube channel. They're your loyal fans, eagerly awaiting your next video. Subscribers are real people who have chosen to follow your channel. They enjoy your content and want to be notified when you upload new videos. That notification puts your video directly in front of your audience. Having a substantial subscriber base offers numerous benefits. It builds credibility and increases your video's visibility. Treat your subscribers like gold, and they'll be the backbone of your channel's success. Watch time is the holy grail of YouTube monetization. It's the total amount of time viewers have spent watching your videos. And it's a crucial factor in determining your channel's eligibility for monetization. YouTube calculates watch time meticulously. Every second a viewer spends watching your video counts towards your overall watch time. The longer viewers stay glued to your content, the more valuable YouTube perceives your channel to be. Why is watch time so important? For starters, it indicates to YouTube that your content is engaging and keeps viewers coming back for more. High watch time also suggests that your videos are relevant to the audience you're targeting. Moreover, watch time plays a significant role in your video's ranking. Videos with higher watch time are more likely to appear in search results and recommendations, leading to increased visibility and potential for monetization. To boost your watch time, focus on creating compelling content that captivates your audience's attention. Hook them from the first few seconds, maintain their interest throughout the video, and leave them wanting more. YouTube takes its monetization policy seriously, and violating these rules can lead to disqualification. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the essential tips to keep your channel squeaky clean. First and foremost, respect copyright laws. Using someone else's content without permission, whether it's music, videos, or images, is a surefire way to get your channel in trouble. Always obtain proper licenses or use royalty-free alternatives. Misleading metadata, such as clickbait titles or misleading descriptions, is another big no-no. Be honest and transparent with your viewers about what your videos offer. Clickbait might attract clicks in the short term, but it will harm your channel's credibility in the long run. Spamming, whether it's in the comments section or through external links, is strictly prohibited. Engage with your viewers genuinely and avoid any practices that violate YouTube's community guidelines. Remember, YouTube's policies are designed to create a fair and enjoyable experience for everyone. By following these guidelines, you'll protect your channel from disqualification and build a sustainable foundation for monetization. Before you hit record, it's crucial to choose a niche for your YouTube channel. Your niche is where your passion and expertise intersect. It helps you target a specific audience and build a loyal following. Start by considering your interests and hobbies. What are you passionate about? Your passion will shine through in your videos. Next, think about your skills and knowledge. What are you good at? Sharing your expertise establishes you as an authority. Research popular niches on YouTube. Look for niches with a decent-sized audience but aren't overly saturated. Finding a balance between demand and competition is key. Focus your efforts on a specific area where you can excel. You'll increase your chances of attracting viewers genuinely interested in your content. Content is king on YouTube, and delivering high-quality videos is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. But what makes a video high quality? It's a combination of factors that work together to create an engaging and enjoyable viewing experience. First and foremost, your videos should be well-planned and structured. Start with a clear outline, highlighting the key points you want to cover. A logical flow ensures that your viewers stay engaged from beginning to end. Visual appeal matters. Invest in decent lighting and audio equipment to enhance the quality of your videos. Clear visuals and crisp audio make a world of difference in how your content is perceived. Keep your viewers entertained. Use humor, storytelling, or engaging visuals to make your videos captivating. Break up long segments with B-roll footage or transitions to maintain visual interest. Most importantly, be authentic and passionate. Let your personality shine through in your videos. Viewers can spot insincerity a mile away, so be genuine and connect with your audience on a personal level. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to make sure your videos get seen. That's where optimization comes in. By fine-tuning your video's metadata and using relevant keywords, you can increase its visibility and attract a wider audience. Your video's title is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Use relevant keywords that accurately describe your video's content. Keep it concise, attention-grabbing, and avoid clickbait tactics. The description box is your opportunity to provide more details about your video. Use it to expand on your title, include relevant keywords, and add links to your social media channels or website. Tags are another crucial element of optimization. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords that relate to your video's topic. Think like a viewer. What would someone type into the search bar to find your video? Don't forget about closed captions. Not only do they make your videos accessible to a wider audience, but they also provide YouTube with a text-based version of your content, further enhancing its searchability. Promotion is an essential aspect of growing your YouTube channel and reaching a wider audience. While creating great content is crucial, it's equally important to actively promote your videos and engage with potential viewers. Leverage the power of social media. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, using relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and participate in relevant conversations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promotion is a win-win strategy, allowing you to tap into each other's audiences. Consider guest starring in each other's videos or collaborating on joint projects. Engage with your comment section. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. Show your viewers that you value their feedback and appreciate their support. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage your viewers to share your videos with their friends and family. Offer incentives for sharing, such as exclusive content or behind-the-scenes footage. Congratulations! You've made it to the final section of our guide to YouTube monetization. The last crucial ingredient for long-term success: consistency. Consistency builds a loyal audience and sustainable growth. Regular uploads keep viewers engaged and signal reliability to the algorithm. Establish a realistic upload schedule you can stick to. Your viewers will expect new content regularly. Consistency also means engaging with your audience. Building relationships takes time and effort. Building a successful channel takes dedication and hard work. Stay consistent, grow your audience, and achieve your monetization goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with your fellow creators. Let's grow together. Let's grow.